Hi guys. Long time no see.
Howdy.
How do you do? Howdy. Um, Today I have come out from Bangalore, a few kilometers away from Bangalore, and we have come to a beautiful picnic spot. There is a beautiful temple which is in construction currently. I'll share a few pictures from that. It's actually very nice, but I don't wanted to take too many pictures because it's still in construction, and I think the place is not complete yet, and I think we all should wait until it completes. And it's called Kailasha Betta, and it's beautiful. It's the temple is in making, and just near the temple there is one small I think reservoir. This does qualify for reservoir, but however very small, and it's beautiful. I think you guys can come here, spend a day, actually have a picnic here with your family. It's quite good. However, there are too many monkey and dogs here, which is a bit scary at times, but it's beautiful. You all should just look at the place. And we have come at such right time that it's raining. It's not raining, it's drizzling, and it's drizzling in the right amount, and it's beautiful. It's really it's not hot, it's not cold, and it's just beautiful. Let me show you what it looks like from the other side. This place was about 60 kilometers from Whitefield towards Chintamani, and when you go off from the highway, you enter towards a small lane village which enters to village. There the road is not very good. That enter when you enter to the village, that side the road was not very good. However, the place was beautiful. There is a Hanuman temple up ahead, 3 kilometers from Kailashagiri Betta, and which you can trek, or you can go by your vehicle also. Vehicle parking charges are not too much, about 20 rupees, and you can go up to the Hanuman temple, which is right in that hill, and it is beautiful. You guys should visit. You guys should carry your lunch because there's nothing good nearby, and I think the place is so beautiful that you would want to sit there and have your food. Though there's a lot of dogs, but be careful of that. But I think you should carry your lunch, and you can spend good time near this lake, and it is beautiful. You guys must visit. This is a place called Kailashagiri Betta. It's in construction currently. I've put a few pictures at the end. You must see the pictures. It's beautiful. It is still going on, but it's beautiful. The temple is in construction, and this is right near the temple. I think this is it in this video. I think I tried to show you, as I wasn't planning to do this video, but the place was so beautiful that I wanted to. So I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.